Hello everyone, this is Stirling engine. In today's video, I will show you how to make a working Stirling engine. First and foremost, we apply silicone glue to the opening hole of the piston mount. Silicone glue is a very good adhesive and can withstand high temperature. Hold the position of cooling can with a little bit of hot glue. Attach the piston mount carefully. Apply silicone glue to seal the bottom of the can. This is the part to hold the displacer in place, and we use PTFE and apply a little bit of grease at the displacer rod. This is our crankshaft. Next, we test whether the cooling can got water leakage. We assemble the crankshaft support. It is very important to make sure that there is no air leak. After several tests for inflation of the piston, we found that aluminum material will absorb heat of the air inside the piston mount. So we decided to use a plastic material instead of aluminum can. Sure, it has no friction. In this case, the engine had run 1 revolution. It still can't spin continuously, so we have to release some gas to locate it at the start position. And it works, but there's still a little bit of air leak, so we decided to use soap bubble in order to determine whether which parts of the Stirling engine air leak. And we found that a little air leakage at the joint of the piston mount. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe.